Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be listing off my goals for 2019. Can you believe it's 2019 already? Like, 2018 just flew by so fast, like it's crazy, and I know 2019 is going to do the exact same. So that's why one of the main things is for you guys is, and for me, obviously, is to live each day like it's your last, because literally like every day is going to go by so fast, and just treasure every moment. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year. This is my first video of 2019, which is really exciting. I unfortunately didn't get to celebrate New Year's last night because I was battling tonsillitis for the past weekend, so I'm recovering now, so thank God. Otherwise you wouldn't have got a video this week, but I am determined. So without further ado, let's just get into this. Okay, so my goals for 2019 would be, especially like, I'm going to start off with career-wise, so that's like YouTube and also my career outside of YouTube. Specifically, I really want to do more room makeovers, like room transformations. Like, I want to do a lot of them this year because they're just so satisfying. Like, they really just make me feel so proud, and it's like something that you've done and it's showcasing like kind of what you can do, and I just think that's so exciting and I love it. I done my room this year and the kitchen. But next year I want to do some more bedrooms, and I'd love to do like a living room, so I'm going to keep my fingers crossed for the living room. I know if it was to happen it would be towards the end of the year, but I'm going to try to convince to get it done. There'll definitely be a couple of bedrooms getting done anyway earlier in the year, so be sure to look out for them. But room makeovers is the thing I really want to broaden in 2019. I want to do more videos on them. I want to do like more, I want to do some big ones, and also want to do some small ones, you know, just dressing the bed, or decorations for bedrooms, or decorations for your spaces, or you know, that kind of things. And that kind of brings me into my next thing that I want to do as well. I want to showcase designers I love. For example, sitting down and discussing trends, or discussing how to make a room feel homely, how to, you know, inject color into your spaces, how to play with pattern, you know, stuff like that. You know, just so you're not getting just my point of view, you're getting a point of view from someone else that's trained in the field as well. And also it'll be fun to get a cool different dynamics on different topics as well. So that's something I'd love to do, and I have a few designers in mind I'd love to get on my channel, but I mean, I'm gonna keep a positive attitude and hopefully they'll agree, you know. But yeah, showcasing designers I love, not just sitting down with them, but also showing you their work. Where if it's on my Instagram, you know, I'll put up on my Instagram stories or on my Instagram feed, just showcasing like things I get inspired by. Also on here when I do the trends talks, I normally showcase stuff that I find really cool, and you know, sometimes I can't find the designer of it because I mostly get stuff off Pinterest, which is really annoying. Like, they should really have, whoever reshares them should really pay reference to the designer of them. But yeah, so stuff like that. Like, there's an interior designer that I do work experience with. Her name is Ruth Walsh. She's so crazy talented, but she's been on my channel a few times. But I'd love to sit down and actually do like a full-on talking video with her. I done a Q&A with her before. It was when we went to Dublin to the trade fair. I'll have that like linked up here, or I'll put it down in the description so you can go watch that. I talked to like, you know, the most frequently asked questions that clients ask designers, or that people who don't really know much about interior design ask designers, and her answers were just amazing. So if you have any interest in interior design, I'd 100% recommend going watching that. It's early on the video, so you don't have to like watch to like 20 minutes to get to see it. It's early on, so I'd 100% recommend watching that if you're into that sort of thing, which if you're watching my videos you more than likely are. Okay guys, the next thing is traveling and trips and just going away and experiencing different things. So I know for certain I'm going to New York and I'm going to Paris this year. I'm going to New York in April, and I'm also going to Paris in either the end of April or May. I'm not certain what time. We haven't booked the flights yet, but I know I'm going to them places. And the reason I put this on the list is because not only am I going, like, you know, for a good time, I'm going with my mum to New York, so like it'll be an amazing trip for us. But also I want to do things like go to interior design shops, like these amazing, like, what's the one, Restoration Hardware, or like these massive designer shops, just to be able to see the furniture you see on Instagram in real life and feel the texture of it and sit in them and just kind of understand how they're made and stuff, and just to like see the shops, the interiors of the shops, and like the architecture and just that whole vibe. I'm just so excited for as well. So I'll definitely like be vlogging it, obviously. And then in Paris, like the shops and the architecture in Paris is just like so unbelievably beautiful. And just to show you guys that as well, so you can come along with me and like see my point of view of it. But the whole point of it would be showcasing beautiful design and architecture like across the world. So it'd be like design across the world, or something cool like that. So it'd be like fashion, food, and interior design, because like they're all things I love. Like I love fashion, I love food, and like I'm obsessed with interior design. And also for next year I'd love to do more of what would JMC do. I done one video this year of it, and it was in, I think it was either September or November I done it. I'll have that linked somewhere on the screen or down below as well. I done that video last year, and like, I mean, it didn't get a lot of views, but I really enjoyed it, and I feel like it's a great way to see what I would do in a space. But like this year I prefer to do more personal ones. So like if you guys had a room you're doing up and you didn't know how to do it, or you're looking for just a bit of extra advice or ideas for a space, you could send me the pictures, and I do up like a concept board, mood board, 3D plan, sketches, and I could also run through like why I place, say for example, the couch here, or the bed here, or the end table here, or you know, the countertops along this wall, and I'd be able to give my point of view on it through a video, so also everyone else would be able to maybe learn something as well. But that's something I'd love to do as well, because I'd also love to kind of show you guys how to arrange a space from start to finish, if that makes any sense. Another thing is I just really want to grow more. Like my channel averages have doubled since last year. So this time last year my averages have doubled, which is amazing. Like, I'm so proud of that. But like by this time next year I want literally to see unbelievable numbers like that. I have to pinch myself, if you know what I mean. Okay, so now personal life. In my personal life I'd love to get more spontaneous. I want to eat more clean and like healthy and more organic, because these past few months since since the kitchen started getting done, my like whole diet and lifestyle has just like gone down the window. Like I used to be so good at eating like loads of fruit and veg, and like I'd never get sick. And then when the kitchen started getting done, it wasn't as easy to access, you know, proper cooked food. Like we'd have to go out and eat, and that's like expensive. So I just like, I know it's so much effort as well, so I wouldn't really have time, so I just grab whatever I could. Like it would just basically be rubbish that I've eaten. So that's my goal for 2019, is to always be having like loads of fruit, loads of veg, loads of organic food, loads of whole food, you know. Like, you know, because I know for the first while it's going to be like annoying not being able to just have something easy, but like, I mean, I feel I'll just feel so much more energized and everything about myself, you know, as the weeks go on. And then also I was thinking about, you know, I want to do something big each month. Like, so say for example in April and May I'm going to New York, and then I'm going to Paris. That's big for them months. But like in other months I want to either so for example, like maybe when our assignments are all due for college, do really well in the assignments, you know, hand in my best work in them assignments. That's something big for that month, so I can look back at that month and be like, okay, well I done this and I'm really happy with that, and then that might benefit me again, you know. So, or like, oh, I done this room, I transformed this room, that's my big thing I done that month, you know. Or I help mom in the house, you know, stuff like that. Just something big every month. I want to do something like that for the whole month of 2019. But that's all my goals, guys. I'm so excited for 2019. Like literally, I don't know what it is, I just feel it. I just feel something about this year. It just makes me so excited and positive and happy, and I just feel like everyone feels it. I feel like everyone feels like 2019 is like their year, and I just love that energy and that vibe. It's just so positive. And I know there's going to be people who are going like, that's not realistic, or you know, get in the real world. But like, I feel like the world is what you make it, and if you are so like, that's not realistic, that can't happen, you're going to put that into the universe, and the universe isn't going to give what you want to you because you're doubting yourself. I feel like if you go into this world and you have full positivity and you know what goal you want, and if you work real hard for it and you just keep your mindset that's going to happen, it will happen. That's just how I feel. Like we're all born the same, we all come into this world the same. There's no reason why one person can have this amazing life and the other person can't. Like I feel like we can all live the life that we dream of and that we want the most. And also Rihanna's releasing her album this year, so I mean can the year get any better already? And she'll be going on tour and I'll be going to that, and I'm just so excited about that. That's literally probably one of the most, that's like, I mean, can life just get any better? I mean, come on. Anyway, I'm gonna say bye now. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe, and also don't forget that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.